Look at the sky during a heavy downpour. Thousands of gallons of clean, life-sustaining water are falling directly onto private property. But if you try to catch a single drop of it, you're committing a federal crime. That is the rumor most people have heard. This pervasive story stops millions of homeowners from acting. They watch passively as all that perfectly good water simply washes off their roofs and down the street. The problem is, the story isn't true. The myth remains unchallenged in common conversation, effectively funneling every household back into the municipal system. It takes capable, otherwise self-reliant people and transforms them into fearful, paying customers for a resource that nature provides for free. We have been conditioned to accept that our water must come from a centralized pipe, followed by a mandatory monthly bill. The municipal water grid operates as a massive, unchallenged monopoly over your most vital biological need. The moment you tether your survival entirely to this aging, rusted device, you create a profound psychological barrier. You convince yourself that without the city, you have no water. Yet while every drop passing through that meter is monitored and taxed, massive volumes of untracked precipitation hit our homes and are completely ignored. You can step outside that system the moment you understand that harvesting this water is a protected, legal right. Look at this map of the United States. Collecting rainwater on your own property is entirely legal in all 50 U.S. states. In states like Texas and California, the law provides direct financial rebates and tax exemptions to homeowners who install these collection systems. State regulators understand that off-grid microinfrastructure relieves the mounting, crushing pressure on their own failing municipal grids. Setting up a rain barrel is a state-endorsed strategy for community infrastructure survival. Let's run the actual mathematics of what happens during a standard heavy rainstorm on a typical 1,000-square-foot suburban roof. This diagram illustrates that exact math. When a single inch of rain falls across that surface area, it generates over 600 gallons of harvestable water. Your roof is an untapped, high-yield utility grid capable of sustaining a household through a dry spell. Tapping into that grid is straightforward. You can build a simple, food-grade 55-gallon rain barrel system right in your backyard. This cross-section shows a gutter diverter filtering the first flush of dirty roof runoff. A secondary flow mechanism then routes clean water directly into your sealed 55-gallon container. During major storms, an overflow valve safely redirects excess volume to prevent the container from rupturing. With just these three basic essential components, a sturdy barrel, a gutter diverter, and an overflow pipe, you have engineered a functional off-grid water bypass. Compare this robust personal micro-infrastructure to the massive municipal water grid, which grows more fragile and unpredictable every year. A single pressure drop, local contamination event, or grid failure brings immediate consequences to any neighborhood relying entirely on a pipe in the ground. Possessing your own isolated 55-gallon reservoir gives you emergency security the exact moment the city taps run dry. Harvesting rainwater severs the psychological tether to infrastructure dependence. True preparedness means taking direct ownership of your life-sustaining resources, making you indifferent to municipal failures. This pure, endless resource continuously falls from the sky, completely free from corporate pricing models or municipal control. Stop letting myths dictate your capacity for self-reliance and build this bypass system this weekend. Absolute water sovereignty and true independence are only a single 55-gallon barrel.